Thutha wa mucemanio na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta thingira-ini wa iregi, Minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha acokire guthie imwe kwa imwe nginyagia nyumba-ini ya mitihani kurekereria maumirira ma kigeranio gia KSCE mwaka wa 2020. Thegia moritu ma king'uki gia COVID-19 na mogaruruku ma karenda ya githomo, arutwo kigeranio gia KSCE mwaka wa 2020 ni meyukiririe na njira nene na kwandikithia maumirira mega.
In the 2020 KSCE examination, 19 subjects recorded significant improvement in performance compared to 16 subjects of 2019. There was no significant change in 2 subjects.
Kuuma thukuru-ini wa Murang'a High, kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, Robinson Wanjala ni uma murutwo wa mbere kigeranio giki akinyita grade ya A plain na point 87 turuma 3. Kenneth Oranga kuma thukuru wa Gorosare, kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay, auma murutwo wa keri. Sharon Chepngeno kuma thukuru wa Kenya High ni uma wa gatatu na muiretu wa mbere maumirira-ini maya.
The top candidate this year is from Murang'a High School. The index is 87.334. We thank God he's a male. The name is Simiyu Robinson Wanjala.
Giekirwo na mwaka muhituku, arutwo aria megwatiire grade ya A plain ni abatirite kuma arutwo 627 nginyagia arutwo 893 mwaka uyu. Magoha akigathiriria na njira nene wiyukiriria wa arutwo ona thegia moritu ma COVID-19.
This is one of the clearest indicators, ladies and gentlemen, that the candidates have performed at par, if not better, compared to 2019, despite the negative effects of COVID-19.
Arutwo 143,140 ni manyitire grade ya C+ na unikuga ati mari na mweke wa guthie university, na beno ikiongerereka na arutwo 17,398 kuma mwaka wa 2019 kuri arutwo 125,746 manyitire grade ino ya C+.
The message here is this: all the remaining candidates are eligible to join TVET institutions, teacher training centers, medical training colleges, and other tertiary learning institutions at various levels, from artisan to degree level.
Arutwo aria manyitire grade ya A- ni 6,420, B+ arutwo 14,427, grade ya B arutwo 25,207, B- arutwo 38,148 na warutwo 85,458 nio manyitire grade ya C. Ona kuri uguo namba ya arutwo aria manyitire the wa grade ya C- ironeka gukorwo ari nene, na arutwo 28,046 makinyita grade ya E. Magoha akiuga gutire murutwo te kwigira na mweke wa guthondeka muturire mwega ona korwo ndeguthi university kana college.
Sure, all the KSCE candidates who will receive their results today, that they all have a better future.
Ihinda-ini riu Magoha ni akũngũĩire arutwo aria manyitire marks the wa 200 hindi ya kigeranio gia KCPE na aria mahotire kwiyukiriria na njira nene na kunyita grade ya C+ guthie na iguru.
There are students who have scored below 200 and they are going to university. One who is from a sub-county school, the name is Cheriot Bet Dennis, Kimargis Secondary School. The sub-county school is somewhere in the country. He has moved from 190 to a B-, so he's assured comfortably of a university space.
Mihango ya woyani wa arutwo aria meguthie university na kothi iria megwika, undu umwe na college na thukuru cia moko ikwambiriria o rio.